Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahul Patil, and today's our Viva topic is on name is difference between constructor and methods. And today's date is 17th of the November 2022. First, we have discussed about the constructor. The constructor and methods, they are difference for each other, and the constructor we have use performs to initialization of the object state, and the constructor contains data members and member functions to as the same way as the method, and the data members and member function, they can execute at the time of the constructor the object is created of the that particular class. And the method, we discuss about the method. The method is a state of collection of block, collection of statement they use to they perform the particular task. And the method is used to reuse the code and retrieve it, so used to and that the methods. And we have discussed about the differences between the constructor and the methods. The constructor is initialize initialize the time of the creation of the new keyword of that class. And the method the method is used to block of statements or collection performing the particular task. And the methods have returning the value of that callers. And next one is constructor, they can or cannot be given any particular value of that of to caller, but method is returns a value. And the class name of constructor as the same name as constructor, the name of constructor as the same name as a class. And the method, the class we can need to need to declare any name of the method, like add num. We wanted to declare any name of the method. And in the class constructor, in a class more than one constructor, but constructor should different parameters. And the same as method, the method is in a class one more than one method but different parameters. And the constructor, the subclass cannot inherit the parent class, and in a method the subclass inherit the parent class. And that's from my side. Thank you.